Today, we will continue learning vocabulary related to music. Say these words with your English voice. Solo, solo. This is a piece of music for one person or one instrument. In a sentence, she left the band to start her solo music career. Guitarist, guitarist. This is someone who plays the guitar, especially as their job. The guitarist will open the show. Drummer, drummer. This is someone who plays a drum or a set of drums, especially in a music group. He's the band's new drummer. Violinist, violinist. This is a person who plays a violin. I want to practice playing the violin more. I would love to be a violinist. Player, player. This is someone who plays a musical instrument or a machine like a CD player. He went to buy a new CD player for when he travels. Note, note. This is a single sound at a particular level, usually in music or a written symbol that represents this sound. Wow! She sang that note beautifully. Lyrics, lyrics. Lyrics are the words of a song. I love the lyrics of this song.